Hi. So we are seeing CMAT sections in detail. Today we'll see language comprehension section in detail. CMAT exam registration is going on. This is the official website. You can register for the exam. Last date is 17th November. Okay, just 10-15 days more. Just 10 days more. Just register for this exam first. And what all the sections for CMAT exam? We have already given videos for related to Quant section, logical reasoning, general awareness. So you can refer to these videos to see in detail about these three sections. What are the topics tested? What is the weightage given? What are the question types? Everything is given in detail in the link. The link is given in the description. Okay. And if you want to experience a short test, you can try this test. It's a 40 minutes test which helps you to know everything about the CMAT exam. What sections, what question types, everything you can experience by taking this short test. Now coming to the language comprehension, what is mainly tested is grammar. Okay, it is completely grammar. Like there are 20 questions. Okay, but grammar is highly tested. Almost in every question, grammar is tested. If at all grammar is not there, vocabulary is tested slightly. Okay, maybe a sentence is given. Based on the context of the sentence, you have to find the meaning. Okay, or there can be a parajumble question. Parajumble question means like a jumbled phrases will be given. You have to form into a meaningful sentence or a paragraph. There can be a reading comprehension, a very small passage. Okay, just 4-5 lines passage followed by 2 or 3 questions. Okay, but these are all extra things. Okay, vocabulary, parajumble, reading comprehension, these are all etc. Okay, what is mainly tested is the grammar. Okay, grammar. What grammar topics means? Everything starting from verb. Okay, verb, noun, adjective, pronoun, or any kind of active voice, passive voice, direct, indirect, types of sentences. Okay, all kind of grammar can be tested. Okay, so you have to prepare really deep about the grammar basics. You should know in detail. Okay, that is what will help you to score in this section. This section is easy to do. You can do it faster also if you are thorough with the grammar concepts. Okay, and there is a chance to do big mistakes in this, because we see that this can be the answer, but based on the grammar rules the answer can differ also. Okay, next is what are the question types tested. So different question types. Okay, grammar is tested in almost in so many ways. Okay, I'll just show you. These are the different question types. You can see here auxiliary verb. Okay, fill in the blank. Okay, fill in the blank is tested. What are the different question types? Changing direct form. Okay, select the correct direct form of the given sentence. Mostly this is like an error spotting only, but error spotting is tested in multiple ways. Okay, match the following like this. Okay, or there can be a question. Choose the properly structured question. Again, error spotting is tested in this way. Again, error spotting is tested. Which sentence is correct, which is incorrect, and then here it is asked to select the option that expresses the given sentence in active voice. So active, sometimes you'll be asked to change active to passive, direct to indirect, like that. And this question asks you like what type of question is this, right? And here select the correct indirect form. So direct form is given, you have to convert indirect and select the correct answer. So there are multiple question types being tested. Grammar is tested in multiple ways. Okay, and this is very commonly tested. Grammar is very commonly tested. Like you can see so many types of questions. Okay, choose the appropriate statement. Okay, to follow the question. So there's a question given. What is the right statement can have? Okay, fill in the blanks with prepositions or phrasal verbs. Right, select the grammatically correct sense. So again, error spotting, you have to spot the error. Then choose the correct transformation of interrogative sentence. So there are different ways. Match the following different ways to test the grammar. Okay, so we have a CMAT Crash Course going on. If you want the details, you can reach out to us. It's there in the description as well. You can subscribe to our channel for CMAT related updates. Thank you. Bye.